Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to start going through a couple of the rocks that I found when I was rock hounding in the cornfield yesterday. A couple of the big ones here I'm going to probably try to at least cut an edge off of them to see what it looks like inside, because it may not be they may not be anything, or they may look decent enough to try to do something with. And the ones that I showed you here are the bigger ones. I don't know if they're just kind of some jaspers, some jasp agates, or what they are yet. And this piece, it was getting dark and I couldn't really tell what it was, but I don't think it's really anything. So it just may go into the lot that I'll have for tumbling. Let's see here, and then these last three here were the three agates that I found when I was out there. It's just this side isn't focusing very well. And then this one here, I don't know for sure what it is. It looks like it's a possibility that could be an agate in there, but I'm not 100% certain. I don't know if I'm going to try to cut, or if I'm just going to try contour polishing the outside here and see what turns up. And then the final one here is, as agates go, definitely the best one of the bunch, at least size-wise. And so I may start on here and maybe try to grind this face at least a little flatter. Then I can still decide on whether I'm going to just do a kind of face polish and polish on everything, or if that can then go in the tumbler, and kind of the work we do to preform them a little bit will help save some of the rest of the agate, since that's a pretty deep depression here. So I'm going to go ahead and do a couple cuts on the larger ones, and I'll be back. And here are the two from the bigger pieces that I just kind of cut a butt off each of them for a slab. And this one is still a nice jasper, but it really doesn't have too much going on inside as far as, you know, having any kind of jasp agate or anything in there. There might be a little hematite and other things in there that were kind of fooling me on the outside. But the other one I think was definitely worth picking up, because those colors go all the way through. Yeah. Don't know for sure why I was trying to leave those blurry, but as you can see here, some great colors in this thing, and so I'm going to have to figure out what I want to make out of this one. And I'll bring you back here when I have things done on the cabbing machine. And here are the different stones after the 3000 wheel. I didn't worry about a perfect polish on these because most of these I'll probably end up throwing in with a batch in the vibratory tumbler. Anyway, I just wanted to get them to a point where I could show you what they look like, um, and in no particular order. Remember this one of the bigger pieces that I slabbed an end off. I domed the top of it. I guess that would be the crust end of the butt. So I didn't have quite as much of the color in here, but I can take a couple more slabs off here. And now that I kind of know some of the areas to avoid, I can, after I cut these, I can maybe decide then where to cab. So I fewer pits. It doesn't look too bad even with a couple pits in on this piece. And the other big one was this piece here. Not exactly certain what it is, but believe some kind of a jasper. I just kind of just don't know everything that's in it here. And my group on Discord is having a unusual shapes showcase this week, so I decided to do a lot of outside radiuses on the of the wheels, so you kind of have a concave shape on the stone. A few spots in here I can see there, but like I said, I'll probably end up just throwing these in with the tumbles and see how well they turn out when tumbling with the rocks. But don't know what shape it is. I just started on it just to get you guys a something to see made out of the stone. And then finally the three agates. Kind of see here, this one turned out pretty well. I just kept on going with it, and I ended up not having a whole lot left of the of it, so I ended up just doing a complete contour polish. And this one is okay. It's still a little hazy, but this one I may just have to throw into the final polish stage and not even go through the pre-polish. Kind of the same with this one here, but I'll have to be careful on here so I don't end up with the aluminum oxide polish, the nicks and crannies. But this one, man, this one really surprised me what it looked like after I started grinding on the sides. You see here, it's still not perfect, so this one may end up having to go into kind of the 600. The other one I may just throw in at the 600, which is my pre-polish as well, just to see if give those a chance to grind out a little bit. But that turned out real pretty. And then finally the big one here. Kind of a really nice nice one in here. I don't know if on this one I'll just throw it in the tumbler or if I'll just go back through and maybe try to fix a few of the blemishes on the cabbing machine. We'll see how what I decide once I get a batch of rocks to the spot here where I can do that. But thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll get back to you later.